Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you're watching this on Instagram, hit the follow button. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit the subscribe button so you never miss another video. Here is my butterfly wings look inspired by one of my friends and fellow Instagrammers. I saw her look and decided to try it out. It wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be, but overall I think it turned out pretty cool. Give her a follow. She has very good creative looks. She always thinks outside of the box. Her looks are always amazing. But anyway, I appreciate all the love and support. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for another pride look that I have coming up, and I'm also going to do one for the bisexual flag. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Alright, let's get started. Did one eye already off camera. I'm not going to do a full voiceover because all products are used in the description box, and you'll also be able to see what I'm doing. I will mention some stuff, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Trying to make more precise lines and thicker lines, so I decided to go into my NYX liquid eyeliner with the brush versus using a felt tip because it was a little easier to get the precision that I needed. I let it dry and I pat some eyeshadow on top to make it more dramatic. Then I took some finishing powder to pat on top. That way my dots won't fade after a while because it is paint and I do have oily skin. Here's a completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe, everybody. Bye.